So it started back in 2009 when we were struggling with over 120 different box sizes to handle the packages the way that we wanted to handle them. And we saw pack size at a conference and thought this could work.
Smart packaging for a healthy planet, it's really our ability to right size to drive out actual waste that we can measure and get out of the whole process. When you right size your boxes, inevitably you're paying less for freight than you would with larger boxes. We help them right size, which leads to decreased damages, as well as just protecting every order going out the door, as well as giving it a very professional, clean experience for the customer. We've expanded over the years in a number of different stages, leveraging different pieces of equipment like X4 machines, as well as different process flows to accommodate their packaging needs. Oftentimes we couple our equipment and technology with other pieces of material handling equipment, conveyor, automation, in order to make it very seamless, reduce touch points, and move product through as fast as possible.
There's a lot of technologies in the warehouse automation space, and individually by themselves, they're good. But when you can put them all together, they become great. So that's really what Siggins does, is help take those different pieces and put those together to make one unified solution for a customer.
Well, it's funny because the pack size relationship, as we grew and we needed to do more things, we were expanding the warehouse, and pack size actually introduced us to Siggins to say, hey, if you need help beyond the box creation, automating processes beyond that creation, you should talk to Siggins.
They got to a point where they were at capacity for throughput. They were doing a building expansion, and so they brought us in to figure out what do they do with that space. So we worked with pack size and came up with a conveyor layout to start, kind of a smaller project, just to get things streamlined. And then as they've grown, we kind of taken them to the next level. So they hit what we built the first system for. We came back in, all right, now we need to hit this level of orders, and we helped them grow to that with this last project that we've done with them. We added a sortation system on the front end using Hytrol, and then we added an OPEX sure sort, which helped with their sorting of product after it's been picked.
So the result of it has been a higher throughput, a lower cost per package, and a higher quality output. And oddly enough, with all of the complexities of the automation, we've actually decreased the training time and consistency of work for our staff. So those are the big things that have really had the impact.
The latest project we did with this customer not only increased their throughput, but also saved a bunch of space on the front end. We opened up almost 5,000 square feet of space.
The relationship with Siggins is so important because they've really understood this business and their goals as a business and where they're trying to go. And we've been in lockstep with them every step of the way in order to accommodate all their packaging needs and new process changes that drive efficiency overall for the operation, with still being able to right size every single box that's going out the door. We're designed to help with different process flows to accommodate how they pick and pack orders, as well as ship them or release them to their customer. With the pack size solutions, we made sure we had the right equipment to accommodate every one of these packaging processes as far as how they get it out the door and into their customers' hands. We are ready to complement what their suggestions are, which is the overall benefit of the company.
It's hard to imagine how we'd be able to operate in the way that we do right now without these solutions.